Hey there, future animation guru. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to create stick figure animations that'll make your audience laugh, cry, and maybe even question their life choices. No, seriously, stick figures are powerful. They've taken over YouTube, TikTok, and every corner of the internet. And guess what? You don't need an art degree or $1 million budget to join the party. But before we begin, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried explaining something complicated, like taxes or quantum physics, and realized that drawing stick figures makes everything clearer? Yeah, me too. That's why stick figure animations are so effective. They're simple, fun, and surprisingly professional if done right. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you will be creating animations like a pro. Hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet, and turn on the notification button for more contents like this. Now, take a look at these channels over here. With some of them having few videos, and some have been sticking around now for a very long time, they have hit tons of subscribers. They are all raking in thousands of dollars every single month. So what's their secret? Simple stick figures. Yep, plain old doodles that somehow make people laugh, learn, and click that subscribe button. Now let's dive into creating our first video from scratch. It'll be so fun, you might forget you're learning something valuable. Mind you, there are different styles of creation. It's up to you to be creative with the tools you have at hand. You can do lip syncing with more than one character. Alright, first things first. What's your story? Every great animation starts with a killer idea. Are you teaching people about productivity hacks, explaining climate change, or just showing off your cat memes? Pick a topic that excites you, or at least one that doesn't put you to sleep. Let's say your topic is how to stay productive while working from home. Picture this, a stick figure sitting at their desk, surrounded by snacks, pets, and distractions. The voiceover says, "Working from home sounds amazing until you realize your couch is calling your name." Boom! Relatable gold. We will be using Qwen for this. It's like having a personal assistant who writes better than most humans. But hey, if you're feeling adventurous, DeepSeek AI, ChatGPT works well too. You just have to be creative and tell him what you want. I already have my prompt ready. Just copy this prompt in the description, swap out the topic to your niche, and paste it to Qwen, and boom, you've got a fresh script ready to roll with. Pro tip alert. Keep your script short and sweet. Nobody wants to watch a 3-hour lecture on why socks always go missing in the dryer. Aim for 1 to 10 minutes max, except you are writing about Donald Trump. Trust me, attention spans these days are shorter than a goldfish's memory. Step 2. Create your voiceover. Now it's time to give your stick figures a voice. Yes, literally. There are 2 ways to do this. Record yourself, or use AI tools. If you're comfortable talking into a mic, go for it. Just remember to speak clearly and add some personality. Pretend you're telling a joke to your best friend. But if public speaking isn't your thing, fear not. Tools like ElevenLabs, SpeechMa AI can generate professional-sounding voiceovers in seconds. My personal favorite? ElevenLabs. Link in the description below. It's like having a virtual voice actor who never asks for coffee breaks. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using clap tools for those who will not be able to use ElevenLab and are determined to move forward to generate realistic voices. You might want to try it out and see for yourself. From the drop-down menu, choose a voice. Go to Qwen, copy the script, and paste it. Click on Generate and wait for it to load up. After that, then download. Did you know that AI voices can sound happy, sad, excited, or even sarcastic? Use this to your advantage. For example, when describing procrastination, pick a lazy, sleepy tone. When talking about productivity, crank up the energy. Step 3. Creating your stick figures using AI tools. Alright, next up, time to create those charming stick figures. But wait, don't grab your pencils just yet. We're living in the future, my friends, so let's harness the power of AI tools to bring our characters to life. Tools like Leonardo.ai, Pixabay, Canva, or Freepik can help you generate unique stick figure designs without lifting a finger. Here's how. For Leonardo AI, Use prompts to describe exactly what you want. For example, try something like a minimalist stick figure sitting at a desk holding a coffee cup with glasses and a friendly smile. Voila! You'll get customizable stick figures tailored to your vision. Pixabay and Freepik. These platforms offer pre-made vector illustrations of stick figures. Just search for terms like stick figure office or doodle-style character, and download high-quality images that fit your theme and make sure it is on free mode to avoid copyright issues. Canva. If you're feeling creative but not artistic, Canva has an extensive library of editable stick figure templates, but keep in mind it's accessible only for premium users. Drag and tweak until your character looks perfect. To make your stick figures stand out, give them distinct features, different hairstyles, accessories, or poses. Think of them as tiny celebrities with their own personalities. Make your prompt unique and creative. Just tune it to your style and play with it. Step 5. Editing like a pro. Almost there, creators. The final step is editing your masterpiece to perfection. This is where all the pieces come together to form a cohesive video. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. Use beginner-friendly software like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or even PowerPoint to refine your animation. But as usual, we will be using CapCut for free. Here's what you'll do. Import your voiceover and your stick figure. Arrange them in order. Think of this as assembling a puzzle where every piece tells part of your story. Fine-tune the duration of each scene to match your voiceover perfectly. Add transitions between scenes, fades, slides, or zooms to keep things dynamic. You can also include text overlays for emphasis or humor. Keep it playful. Add stickers or inside jokes within your animations to delight your audience. For instance, have a stick figure accidentally trip over a chair during a dramatic moment. It adds charm and keeps people smiling. Spice it up by adding music and sound effects. Head to YouTube's audio library or freesound.org for free tracks and SFX. Want to emphasize drama? Throw in a suspenseful chord. Need comic relief? Add a cartoonish boing sound whenever someone falls flat on their face. Important reminder: always credit the creators of any music or sounds you use. It's the polite thing to do and avoids copyright headaches. Here you have it, a complete guide to making stick figure animations that'll entertain, educate, and inspire your audience. Wasn't that easier than expected? Remember, practice makes perfect. Your first few attempts might look like a toddler's scribble fest, but trust me, you'll improve with every project. Stick figures may seem basic, but they carry a lot of power. They break barriers, simplify complex ideas, and most importantly, make people smile. And isn't that what content creation is all about? If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and if you want me to owe a tricky lip syncing on stick figure, please notify in the comment section as well. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and above all, have fun animating those stick figures.